Good afternoon. This is Teacher LM, and welcome you all for our math online class. Okay, so once again, good afternoon. So this morning, you studied number 6 with Teacher Anita, right? All right. So let's have a short review about number 6. Okay, so there are 6 ants are there. Okay, so number 6. Okay, next one, there are 6 flowers are there. Next, there are 6 apples are there. Okay, one more time, kids. Let's count the objects. Okay, everybody count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 ants. Next picture, we have flowers. So, how many flowers are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good job. Now let's count the apples. If how many apples are there? Okay, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples. Okay, so that is all about number 6. This afternoon class, we are going to learn about number 7. Okay, but before that, we will going to count from number 1 until number 7. Okay, so everyone count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, everybody, one more time. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good job. Now, let's practice more about counting and identifying number 7. Okay, let's count the hearts. How many hearts are there? Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so how many hearts are there? There are 7 hearts. Okay, so this is number 7. All right, great job. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number is it, kids? This is number 7. Okay, good job. Now let's practice counting number 7. Okay, so I have here different kinds of objects. Okay, so the first object, it is an apples. This one are dogs. And the last one is fish. Okay, so let's count how many apples are there, how many dogs are there, and how many fishes are there. Okay, so let's start with the apples. Everybody count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good job. So there are 7 apples. Now let's count how many dogs are there. Okay, everybody count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Okay, now let's count how many fishes are there. Okay, everybody count with teacher LM. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good job. So again, kids, there are 7 apples. there are 7 dogs and there are 7 fishes. Okay? Good. Now, let's try to spell number 7. Okay, everybody, let's spell together. Number 7, I spell Seven. One more time. Seven. Okay. Now, without looking, class, let's try one more time. Again, everybody, how do you spell 7? 7, I spell Seven. 7. All right. That's good. So that would be all for this afternoon. I hope you learn how to count number 7. Okay, so goodbye class and have a good day. See you again tomorrow.